Want to buy a business but don't have the cash? What if I told you there's a way to use your retirement savings to fund it without paying taxes or penalties? It's called ROBS financing, Rollover for Business Startups. And Guidant Financial is one of the biggest names in this space. Here's how it works. You take money from your 401k or IRA, roll it into a new retirement plan that owns your business, and that plan buys the business. No loan, no interest, no tax hit. It's completely legal and IRS approved. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, there are some serious things you need to know before you jump in. ROBS gives you access to capital you already have. You're not taking on debt. You're not diluting ownership. You keep full control. And unlike a traditional loan, there's no credit check, no personal guarantee, and no monthly payment eating into your cash flow. For acquisition entrepreneurs buying an existing business, this can be a game changer, especially if you're buying a business that's already profitable and throwing off cash. But here's where it gets tricky. ROBS is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. You're now running a retirement plan inside your business. That means compliance, audits, ongoing fees. If you mess it up, the IRS can disqualify the whole thing and hit you with taxes and penalties. That's where Guidant comes in. They handle the setup, the paperwork, the compliance, the annual filings. They've been doing this since 2003 and have helped fund over $3 billion in businesses. But it's not cheap. Setup fees typically run a few $1,000s. Then there are ongoing monthly fees for plan administration. You're also required to offer the retirement plan to any eligible employees, which adds complexity. And here's the big one. If your business fails, you lose your retirement savings, all of it. There's no FDIC insurance, no safety net. You're betting your nest egg on your ability to run a profitable business. So, who should consider ROBS? If you have a solid retirement account, you're buying a proven business with strong cash flow, you understand the risks, and you don't want to take on debt, ROBS could be a great fit. If you're starting a brand new unproven concept, or your retirement account is your only safety net, this is probably not the move. The other option? Traditional SBA loans. But you're taking on debt, dealing with stricter approval requirements, and giving up some control. Bottom line, ROBS financing through Guidant Financial is a legitimate tool. It's not for everyone. But if you're serious about buying a business and you've got the retirement funds to back it, it's worth a deep look. Just make sure you understand exactly what you're signing up for. Talk to a financial advisor. Talk to a CPA. And if you move forward, work with someone like Guidant who knows the rules inside and out. Because when you're risking your retirement, you don't want to learn the hard way.